Dear esteemed members of the veterinary profession in India, I am Dr. Miftahul Islam Barbaruah. This short presentation is my humble attempt to discuss the Veterinary Council of India as a unique pillar of the You are aware that there are 4 pillars of our profession. Pillar 1, veterinary service providers and related industry. They use the services of professionals. Pillar 2, associations and special interest groups. They promote the veterinary profession, welfare, and interests of their members. Pillar 3, educational, research, and scientific institutions. They produce professional and policy evidence. Pillar 4, veterinary statutory body. The veterinary statutory body sets professional standards and regulates veterinary education and practice. In India, the Veterinary Council of India, VCI, serves the profession as the veterinary statutory body. VCI gives us the pride of being in a regulated profession and facilitates our professional work. We must ensure that, as an institution, VCI is independent with members that do not have any conflict of interest, transparent and rule-based, representative of all subgroups of the personnel being regulated, informed and competent on subjects of regulation and formulation of standards. The broader questions before us during the forthcoming VCI election. How best can VCI assist us in our hard work to bring quality to service delivery? Ensure appropriate demand and supply of veterinary personnel with a mix of expertise. Enhance the market demand for veterinary services and job prospects for veterinary personnel. Facilitate regional and global accreditation of our colleges and professional qualifications. It's imperative that we strengthen VCI to perform the core regulatory, quality control, and standard setting related functions. Our profession's 4 pillars serve unique functions and complement each other. Let's not expect VCI to perform functions of other pillars of profession, such as associations and service providers. I am confident in my ability to serve the profession. You may like to vote for me during the forthcoming VCI election. My name is Dr. Miftahul Islam Barbaruah. I am a graduate of veterinary science from AAU and a postgraduate in business administration from Tezpur University. I also have a postgraduate qualification in development management from the Asian Institute of Management, Philippines. I have 23 years of professional experience. I currently lead the team at Vet Helpline India Private Limited. I also contribute to the World Organization for Animal Health as an international expert in veterinary workforce development and performance evaluation of veterinary services. As a consultant for FAO and LEGS, I have conducted studies on the value chain, disease control, and emergency management. I invite you to connect with me on Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and ResearchGate. This will give you a deeper insight into my work besides published papers, reports, and articles.